My name is Nguyen from the Hung Edit, and I'm really excited to be collaborating with Tweezerman today. I'm going to be showing you how to do a quick nail prep using some of their tools, and we will jump forward to doing a fun summer nail art look. Okay, let's get started.
Alright, I'm going to start off by trimming my nails. Here I'm using the fingernail clipper, which has a curved blade, so it follows the natural curve of your nails. Also, these blades are super sharp, so it helps with precision cutting. So here I'm using these cute neon files. They are dual-sided, so if you need to do it on either your natural nails or your acrylics, this file is all you need. It's 100 grit on one side and 180 on the other side. Alright, let's do some cuticle work next. I just put some oils on my nails just to soften them. It's always what I have lying around, so I use this instead of cuticle softener.
Onto the cuticle pushy, I'm using the flat edge to gently push back my cuticles. This round edge is pretty great for cleaning up under your nails. Here I'm using the Rock Hard Nipper to cut my cuticles. I like that title, Rock Hard Nipper. It has very sharp, pointy edges, so prevents any snagging or tearing you may do when cutting your cuticles. So that helps prevent any hangnails. Buffed and sprayed alcohol on your nails. I also like to go in and apply nail polish remover just to be sure that no oil residue will stay on before I do any of my nail art or polish my nails. I'll be doing a fun summery design because I'm so excited summer's here. So we're doing like a curvy, wavy, negative space nail art.